Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn 50 plus English small sentence. These sentences are very important for our daily conversation. Okay, let's begin. If you are ready, we can go. If you are ready, we can go. You need to talk with her. You need to talk with her. I suddenly feel sick. I suddenly feel sick. How about a cup of tea? How about a cup of tea? I am on a diet. I am on a diet. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? It's time to have dinner. It's time to have dinner. Are you busy? Are you busy? I am pretty busy. I am pretty busy. Clean it up at once. Clean it up at once. Go and get it. Go and get it. Do you smoke? Do you smoke? Don't ask. Don't ask. How can I trust you? How can I trust you? Think twice. Think twice. Don't be careless. Don't be careless. I am having breakfast. I am having breakfast. I can't find my phone. I can't find my phone. Come with me. Come with me. Get off the bed. Get off the bed. Put your books on the table. Put your books on the table. I have a question. I have a question. Speak up. Speak up. He is an honest person. He is an honest person. Let me think. Let me think. I don't like it. I don't like it. Are you inside? Are you inside? May I come in? May I come in? How about you? How about you? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? Don't call me again. Don't call me again. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. I am cooking. I am cooking. He has bad luck. He has bad luck. I want to buy something. I want to buy something. Where are you? Where are you? I am coming. I am coming. Come to the point. Come to the point. Be polite. Be polite. How is your day going? How is your day going? I have been there. I have been there. All the best. All the best. How can I help you? How can I help you? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. What does she do? What does she do? She is a teacher. She is a teacher. Can you forgive me? Can you forgive me? Who was that? Who was that? Don't eat too much. Don't eat too much. I will try my best. I will try my best. Sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you. Anything else? Anything else? Are you getting angry? Are you getting angry? You are late again. You are late again. Look at me. Look at me. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. I am very busy. I am very busy. I can't come today. I can't come today. Thanks for watching.